Hi everyone, it's Rashana Levin here, your go-to real estate expert for the DMV area. Today I want to talk about the new law in Maryland that went into effect October 1st, 2024. This law gives tenants in certain rental properties a right of first refusal when their landlord decides to sell the property. So what does this actually mean? Let's break it down. In simple terms, if you're a tenant living in a Maryland property with 3 or fewer rental units, you might have the opportunity to buy your place if your landlord decides to put it up for sale. This law is similar to DC's Tenant Opportunity to Purchase Act, also known as TOPA, which has been around for over 40 years. TOPA has been a challenge for some landlords and agents in DC due to the complexity it adds to the real estate transaction. Now Maryland has its own version, so let's cover what landlords and tenants need to know. Here's what Maryland landlords need to know before they can move forward with a sale. Notice to tenants. First, they need to notify their tenants of the sale. Secondly, negotiation opportunity. If the tenant expresses interest in buying, the landlord is required to go through a negotiation process with them. This only applies if you're selling a residential property with 3 or fewer units. If the tenant doesn't want to buy, the landlord can proceed as usual. But there are some key exceptions to this law. It doesn't apply to transfers that happen as a result of estate proceedings, foreclosures, bankruptcies, or if the transfer is to a family member. So if you are in one of the situations, the first right of refusal does not apply. Now, if a landlord doesn't follow these steps, ignoring the law won't prevent the sale from going through, but it could lead to consequences. The seller could face a $1,000 penalty, and the former tenant might have grounds to file a civil claim. So, whether you're a tenant or a landlord, it's important to understand this law and make sure you are following the right process. If you are thinking about buying or selling, especially in light of this new regulation, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you navigate through these challenges smoothly and make sure you understand your rights and obligations. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate updates in Maryland, DC, and Northern Virginia. And as always, reach out if you have any questions at 240-284-4114.